Hello friends, today we are going to know about the payment of GST using the GST login. When you log into the GST portal, this type of a dashboard appears. Then on the services tab, we need to go to the payment option. And under payment, there is an option of create challan. And when we click on this, this type of an option appears in which create challan heading is there, and under that there are various cells appearing in which you have to fill up the details of the tax payment. For example, if you want to make the payment of CGST tax, central government tax, then you have to go to this cell and fill up the amount. If you want to pay IGST, then fill here. And if you want to pay Delhi SGST, because this login is for a person who is registered in Delhi, so it is showing as Delhi SGST, and you want to make the payment for that, then you have to fill up the amount in Delhi SGST cell. Total will appear here and the amount in rupees will also be there. Then we need to select the mode of payment. On the GST portal, three modes of payments are there. One is e-payment, another is over the counter, and the last one is NEFT RTGS. Over the counter option can be chosen only when the payment amount is up to 10,000 rupees. What happens in this option is a challan will be generated on the portal. You need to take the printout of the challan and take the cash or check to the branch where you want to make the payment along with the challan copy and deposit the amount in cash or through check manually on the bank counter. NEFT RTGS option can be used for any amount. In this option, again, a challan will be generated. You need to download the challan, take a printout of the same, and along with that, an NEFT or RTGS check will be issued, and then both of these will be deposited at the bank counter, and the amount will be transferred from your account to the GST account. The last option is e-payment, that is electronic payment. This option can be only chosen if you have internet banking or debit card facility with you. First you click e-payment, then generate challan. When you generate the challan, this type of a form will be generated, and then you need to select net banking and select your bank, and then click on terms and conditions apply, and then make payment. When you click on make payment, bank portal will appear. Therein you have to fill your bank details, your login password, and then the amount will be deducted from your account and will be transferred to the GST department. This is a very simple way how you have to generate the challan. This challan can be used for any type of GST payment, whether it is related to RCM, whether it is normal GST liability payment. And e-payment is the simplest option because without going anywhere, without any use of paper, everything is done completely online, and it takes a few minutes for making the payment. I hope this video will be helpful to people who want to do the work of GST. And in case of any query and any further information, you can like and subscribe our channel and write in the comments, and we will be providing more such videos to you people.